How to solve can install apps on Play Store problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem. So guys, before starting the video, so I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, if you go to Play Store and it is showing you can't download any app here, then what you need to do is that you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner here, or three this. Here this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do is that you have to click on settings. On the bottom you can see, simply click on settings, and after clicking to settings, here you can see general. Simply click on general option, and then here app install optimization, you can see this one. Just make sure this is on. Okay, network preference, just click on it, and then here you can see app download preference over any network. So you make sure that you click on over any network. Okay, auto update app over Wi-Fi only, and auto play video over Wi-Fi only. Okay, you have to select this, and authentication, click here. Biometric authentication, you make sure that you have on this. Okay, no need for Google password. And after doing this, what you need to do is that you have to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then connect to a good network connection. The problem will absolutely solve. So thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.